I was very impressed because she had a lot of the brands that I'm very familiar with, like Louis Vuitton and Chloe and Kate Spade. But what was surprising was that there are a lot of brands that I wasn't familiar with that she introduced me to. And so that was really refreshing as well.
Bring things into the closet.
I loved the shop when I first got to it. I thought it was very homey and I felt very comfortable. And then I went home and I went through my own closet and I said, what could I swap?
I love coming in here. I feel like it's my dream closet.
Membership is very affordable. It's only $69.95 a month, and what that gives you is unlimited access to a celebrity-style closet. It also gives you the service of having a consultant there for you to give you suggestions whenever you feel you need it. How the membership program works is you bring in your upscale and finer brand clothing. The items that you bring into the closet is currency. There's never any money exchange, it's just swap. Members can keep up with new arrivals by following us on Facebook. We also post new arrivals on our website that is your map to your membership.
Literally, you can take the best of the best out of your closet and exchange it for some of the most high-end pieces, and you have a whole new wardrobe. She takes her personal time, and she kind of knows what you like.